over 170 billion wiped off cryptocurrencies as market tanks on Mt. Gox Bitcoin payout fears. Cryptocurrencies plunged Friday as investors focus on payout of nearly $9 billion to users of collapsed Bitcoin exchange Mt. Gox. Bitcoin's price was last lower by nearly 3% to $56,571 according to Coinmetrics earlier in the day. The world's biggest cryptocurrency has slumped as low as $53,513.55, marking its first time trading below the $55,000 mark level since February 27. So it's pretty crazy because they said that at one point in time, the entire cryptocurrency market shed more than 170 billion in a combined market capitalization in the last 24 hours, man. $170 billion, man, in one day to shed off the markets. It's nuts. I think that this is, to me, crypto, man. The thing about it is, I think with banks, they're starting to accept it. I think they're just trying to make the market volatile enough so that they can grab as much as they can, let the price fall as much as they can. Because everyone, at first, Jamie Dimon, who's the CEO of JP Morgan Chase, largest bank in America, maybe even close to being the largest bank in the world, one of those. He was like, "Oh, I would never get into crypto. We were staying far away from that. Any of my people even talk about buying crypto or getting into that, I'll fire them." Now they bought billions of dollars in crypto.
Yeah, that's how rappers were when they were like, "I ain't gonna get a website. I don't need no website. Website ain't street." Then they had to get one.
I think what it was they were trying to destabilize the market. He knew the market is important. They knew this. So their banks, this is a direct affront to banks, cryptocurrency.
Yeah, it is.
Because you don't have to have, there's no physical anything. You don't need a bank for this. You can just, before
just like what's the blow puffer things. When I was just puffing in here, he's yelling at me, is a threat to cigarettes.
Yeah, like vapes.
Yeah, and I just had a vape. I've been smoking on that thing for like 2 weeks. I'm like, damn, I ain't have to buy no cigarettes yet.
And so, I mean, this is, you got to look at this as a very, very, right now, all the big investors are buying now. I think BlackRock owns billions of dollars, maybe even trillions of dollars.
Who owns BlackRock? It's a Jewish company. Anyways, carry on, sir.
I think Larry.
And they've been buying all the homes and destabilizing the home market, so you can't afford a home. Anyways, my bad, I didn't bring that up.
It's factual,
it's
man.
True, it's facts.
This is why these guys are doing this, because cryptocurrency has made it so that we can do things without a trace. So they're trying to get it. This is what they do everywhere they go. This is why they destabilize other countries, because they know that, okay, there's infrastructure that need to be built in these countries. How can I keep you destabilized just long enough so that I can come in here and take foothold and then take control of it? Because if I let you do it, then the money's going to go to you and your people. This is, and so I believe crypto is going to be something that's going to end up taking over.
I just don't trust crypto because I feel like they can just take it from you. But they can do that with the banks too.
They can do that with anything, pretty much. Yeah. They can freeze your assets. Look what they did to Russia, $300 billion.
Look what they did to Kanye.
They did to Ye. To say one bad thing about you, most money and most people who are wealthy, it's all like wealth based off of basically market capitalization. It's not even real money. It's not like when he's like, he's worth $20 billion. He
That's your net worth.
It's like what net worth. Yeah. Like, so if they say anything about you and your stock crashes like this, then they lost $170 billion in one day. That could be all your wealth. You could be broke tomorrow. If they conspire against you well enough, this is how they can break you.
Now, I'd be plotting on stuff. If I had money like that, I'd have gold bars, cash, and like 3 different passports.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You have to.
I'm saying that's what you got to do in case they come for you or anything like that. You know what I'm saying? You got to make sure I ain't messing with it.